how to set Wi-Fi calling to mobile network or Wi-Fi preferred on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, open up the phone application. Then in here, tap on the More button. Next, tap on Settings. Now in Call Settings, we go down and then tap on Wi-Fi calling. Tap on the left-hand side panel. Now make sure at the top here, you tap on the toggle button to turn on Wi-Fi calling. And from there, you can tap on Calling Preference. And from the pop-up, you can select either Wi-Fi Preferred or Mobile Network Preferred. And that's it. So select one of the options and then tap on the Home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.